Excel, practice paper for C4, number 2, question 4. Figure 2 shows a sketch of a curve with this equation. That's curve C. The points A and B on the curve have x coordinates 3.25 and 5 respectively. Write down the y coordinates of A and B. This can be done mentally. 3.25, take away 3, leaves a quarter. 4 divided by a quarter is 16. When x is 5, 5 minus 3 is 2. 2s into 4 go twice. So the y coordinate there is 2. Show that an equation of C is 3y plus 4 over y, where y is not equal to 0. Well, that isn't strictly an equation, it's an error. It should say, show that an equation of C is x equals 3y plus 4 over y. And it's just a matter of changing the subject of the original equation. So if we start with y equals 4 over x minus 3, then cross multiplying we can see that xy minus 3y is equal to 4, which gives us xy is equal to 4 plus 3y, or in the exact right form, x is equal to 3y plus 4 all over y. The shaded region R is bounded by C, the y-axis, and the lines through A and B, which are parallel to the x-axis, that one, and the region R is rotated through 360 degrees about the y-axis to form a solid shape S. Well, we normally have the volume of revolution is the integral of pi y squared dx, but here it's going to be the integral of pi x squared dy. So we're going to need to find y squared. We're going to need to find x squared. So if we multiply this by itself, we're going to get x squared is equal to 9y squared plus 24y plus 16 all over y squared. And if we integrate that, we're going to be integrating, so the volume of S is going to be equal to the integral from 2 to 16, those are the limits, of 9 plus 24 y over y squared, so that's y to the minus 1, plus 16 y to the minus 2 dy. Now a little bit of work on that will give us, shall have a pi there, pi times 9y from 2 to 16 plus 24 ln y from 2 to 16 minus 16 y to the minus 1 from 2 to 16. And when we work that out, we find we've got pi times, so 144 minus 18 is 126. That's going to work out as 24 ln 8. And then we're going to be taking away 16 divided by 16 is 1, and 16 divided by 2 is 8, so minus 8. And we end up with pi times 133 plus 24 ln 8. Well, the next bit of the question says the solid shape S is used to model a cooling tower given that one unit on each axis represents 3 meters, show that the volume of the tower is approximately 15,500 meters cubed. Well, for this, we just need to remember a fact we knew at GCSE, that if the linear scale factor is 1 to 3, the area scale factor would be 1 to 3 squared, or 1 to 9, and the volume scale factor is going to be 1 to 27. So if we work out this volume, if we work out this number and multiply it by 27, we'll get something approximating to 15,500.